you need to be able to find the area of a circle. When we have a circle, if we know the radius, which is the distance from the center to the edge, in this case we'll say it's 4 centimeters, then we can find the area of the circle using the formula pi r squared. So the area of this circle is pi multiplied by r squared. Pi multiplied by the radius squared. If your calculator has a pi button, you can use that. Otherwise, your exam paper will give you an approximation to use. It is always on the front cover, and is often 3.142. So to find the area of our circle, we need to do 3.142 times the radius squared. 3.142 times 4 squared, which is 3.142 times 16. This gives us 50.272. Rounding this to one decimal place, we have an area of 50.3 centimeters squared. You may have to find the area of a semicircle or shapes involving semicircles. This is also simple. As long as we know the distance from the center to the edge, i.e. the radius, we can use the same formula. In this case, the radius is 2.5 centimeters. To work out the area, we use pi r squared, but because we only have half a circle, we need to half our answer. So the area is pi multiplied by the radius squared and then halved. In this case we have 3.142 multiplied by the radius squared and halved, which is 3.142 multiplied by 2.5 squared all over 2, giving us 3.142 multiplied by 6.25 all over 2. Working out the numerator, we have 19.6375 divided by 2, which gives us our answer of 9.81875. Rounding this to one decimal place, we have an area of 9.8 centimeters squared. You may also be asked to work out the circumference of a circle. The circumference is the distance around the outside of a circle, its perimeter. If we know the radius again, let's say 6 centimeters, we can use the formula 2 pi r. So the circumference, the distance around the outside of this circle, can be worked out using 2 times pi times radius. In our case, 2 times 3.142 times 6, which gives us 37.704, and rounding gives us 37.7 centimeters. You may have to find the perimeter of a semicircle. In this example, the base length of 20 centimeters tells us that the radius of the semicircle is 10 centimeters. Since the perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r, the perimeter of a semicircle is just pi r. In this example we get 3.142 multiplied by 10, which is 31.42. So far we have worked out this yellow distance here. The perimeter of the shape means we have to include this distance. This base is 20 centimeters, so we simply add on 20 centimeters. So our total perimeter, 31.42 plus 20, gives us 51.42. Rounding this, the total perimeter, 51.4 centimeters.